Hey guys, it's McCullough. It's super windy out today, so we've got our wind guards on. Today we are making some breakfast wraps. We also have some smashed cinnamon buns because why not? They're delicious. You guys didn't need to see me make bacon and eggs because you guys already know how to do that. So what we are doing today is making our breakfast wrap. So first what I'm going to do is cut it. I have to cut it first. I'm just cutting it about halfway. Okay, and now I'm going to get on some bacon. I'm just skipping a blank spot because that spot will be folded into the bacon. Some cheese beside the bacon. And some egg here. Just scrambled eggs. And now I'm going to fold it. So I'm going to take this half and just fold it in half. Fold it in half again. And one last time. And I'll make a couple more. And then I will tell you guys how they taste. Our cinnamon buns are ready, our breakfast wraps are ready, so I'm going to go see if I can find my brother to help me test try them. Okay, so I've got my brother here to help me test try. The breakfast wrap is delicious, and so was the cinnamon bun.
Yeah, I think the breakfast wrap was really cheesy.
Remember, if you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button and share with your friends. Bye!
Bye.
Thanks for watching!